कि हम एक डिस्कशन मांग रहे हैं, आप एक डिस्कशन मांग रहे हैं ना, तो मैं चाहता हूं कि जो डिस्कशन मोहम्मद जावेद साहब मांग रहे हैं अपने उस संकल्प को आप मूव करिए। जो आप डिस्कशन मांग रहे हैं, आप जो प्रस्ताव दिया उसको मूव करिए। नहीं, आप 20 दिन से अविश्वास प्रस्ताव ला चुके हैं। आपने नो कॉन्फिडेंस का मोशन दिया है, आज वो एजेंडे पे है। आज मैं कहना चाहता हूँ जावेद साहब, यू मस्ट स्टिक टू। नहीं, आपकी प्रायोरिटी क्या है? प्रायोरिटी क्या है? आर यू सीरियस? Why you have moved a resolution against honorable speaker? No. Are you serious? If you are serious, so today it is on agenda. You must start. मैं आपको अलाउ कर रहा हूँ। नहीं। Are you serious? अगर आप नहीं चाहते हैं कि आज जो एक आप खुद एजेंडे पे मोशन है, पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर मिनिस्टर ने कहा कि हम सरकार की तरफ से तैयार है चर्चा करने के लिए, सदन तैयार है, और आप उसके जगह पे दूसरा विषय ला रहे हैं। मैं आपसे आग्रह करता हूं, मैं आग्रह कर रहा हूं, प्लीज आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग टू एवरीबडी, आई विल अलाउ टू योर लीडर राहुल ऑल्सो, आई विल अलाउ टू केसी वेणुगोपाल ऑल्सो। काइंडली यू जस्ट एक्सेप्ट माई रिक्वेस्ट। मैं आप सबको आग्रह करता हूं कि मैं समय दूंगा, आप इनको अंदर करिए, मैं आपको समय दूंगा। आप सभी लोग आप सदन खाली करें, मैं समय दूंगा। आप कृपया, ऐसा नहीं है। नहीं, आप एक तरफ अगर राहुल बोलना चाहते हैं, दूसरी तरफ आप सदन में बैठे हुए हैं, तो इस तरीके से नहीं। सदन नियमों से चलता है। नहीं, सदन नियमों से चलता है। मैं आप सबसे अनुरोध करें, नहीं क्या है, मैं आपको इंटरटेन कर रहा हूं, मैं आपको सुनना चाहता हूं। आज जो एक संकल्प है, उस रिजोल्यूशन पे अभी जावेद साहब खड़े हुए, तो जावेद साहब अगर उस संकल्प को मूव कर रहे हैं, मैं चाहता हूं आप इस संकल्प को मूव कर रहे हैं। नहीं, पूरा देश चाहता है, आपका एजेंडा है, आपके पास यू हैव नो राइट, ओनली यू कैन मूव योर रिजोल्यूशन। आप ये थोड़ी कह सकते हैं मैं ये संकल्प नहीं, आप राहुल गांधी को बोलने दीजिए, आप केसी वेणुगोपाल को। यू कांट टेक एनी डिसीजन टुडे इफ यू हैव मूव्ड एनी रिजोल्यूशन। इफ ऑनरेबल स्पीकर इज काइंड एनफ टू एक्सेप्ट दैट रिजोल्यूशन, ओनली यू कैन मूव दैट रिजोल्यूशन। अदरवाइज ये नहीं कि हम नहीं बोलेंगे, केसी वेणुगोपाल बोलेंगे। ये कौन सी प्रक्रिया है? ये कौन सी नियमावली है? ये नियम कौन सा है? नहीं, आप देखिए, अगर आप खड़े हुए, मैंने आपको समय दिया, तो आप अपने इस संकल्प को मूव करें। मैं आपको सबको चाहता हूं, अमर सिंह जी, बेनी बेनहन साहब, आप सबको मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं कि आप जाएं। जावेद साहब ने, जयप्रकाश जी मेरी बात सुनिए, जावेद जी मेरी बात सुनिए। डॉक्टर मोहम्मद ज्योति काइंडली लिसन मी। Already foreign minister has given a statement on the floor of the house, और आप वो बात आ चुकी है। अब जावेद साहब ने प्रस्ताव मूव करने को कहा। जावेद, देखिए ये सदन महुआ, ये क्या ताली बजा रहे हो? महुआ ये कोई तरीके, यू आर सेंसिबल, आपको समझना चाहिए। नहीं, ये क्यों स्लोगन लगा? मैं एक तरफ मैं डॉक्टर जावेद को मैं प्रस्ताव मूव करने की अनुमति देना चाहता हूं। आप इस प्रस्ताव को मूव करिए ना। आप क्यों नहीं मूव करना चाहते? आखिर ये प्रस्ताव लेकर के आए हैं, ये क्यों नहीं मूव कर रहे हैं? आप ये प्रस्ताव सीधे, आप 20 दिन से स्पीकर साहब आ नहीं रहे हैं। 20 दिन से आपने, 1 महीने से पहले आपने प्रस्ताव दिया, उन्होंने हाई मॉरल ग्राउंड पर कहा कि मैं नहीं आऊंगा जब तक इसका निस्तारित हो जाए। तो आप क्या चाहते हैं कि आप डिस्कशन भी नहीं करेंगे और ऑनरेबल स्पीकर फिर इस हाउस में आए भी ना? ये आप राजनीतिक एजेंडा बनाना चाहते हैं। वो पार्लियामेंट के इसके कस्टोडियन हैं। नहीं, आप पूरा देश देख रहा है मिस्टर विजय राठौर, पूरा देश आप वॉच कर रहा है। पूरे देश के लोग देख रहे हैं कि आइदर यू आर इन अपोजिशन, आर यू नहीं। अगर ये इररिस्पॉन्सिबल बिहेवियर है, इमेच्योर बिहेवियर है कि आप विपक्ष में हो करके और आपने ऑनरेबल स्पीकर के खिलाफ नो कॉन्फिडेंस मूव किया, वो नो कॉन्फिडेंस आज अप्रूव हुआ है, उसका जवाब आ चुका है। ऑलरेडी फॉरेन मिनिस्टर है गिवन ए स्टेटमेंट। नहीं, और मैं ओनली आई विल अलाउ टू मिस्टर जावेद। हाँ डॉक्टर जावेद, मैं आपको अलाउ करूंगा। क्या आप मूव कर रहे हैं? आप बताइए, क्या आप मूव कर रहे हैं? तो आप सदन शैलजा मैम, मैं जावेद को अलाउ कर रहा हूँ, इनको आप करिए। मैं आपकी पार्टी के मूवर को अलाउ कर रहा हूँ कि वो इसको करें। आप सदन नहीं चलने देना चाहते हैं, मैं सदन को चलाना चाहता हूँ, मैं सदन को चलाना चाहता हूँ। और आप सदन नहीं, पूरा देश देख रहा है, पूरा देश देख रहा है कि आप सदन को नहीं चलाना चाहते। ये सदन सरकार चलाना चाहती है, चेयर चलाना चाहती है, लेकिन आप जो आचरण कर रहे हैं, जो इस बिल में आकर के जिस तरह से इस सदन को आप बंधक बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, आखिर 1.5 लाख रुपया 2.5 लाख प्रति मिनट खर्च हो रहा है, 1.5 करोड़ पर घंटे खर्च होता है, 9 करोड़ एक दिन में पैसा खर्च हो रहा है। ये जनता के एक्सचेकर का पैसा है। 9 करोड़ आप जनता के एक्सचेकर का अपने गैर जिम्मेदाराना बिहेवियर से आप वेस्ट कर रहे हैं। पूरा देश देख रहा है कि एक मिनट का 2.5 लाख रुपया आप किस तरह से जनता के पैसे का नुकसान कर रहे हैं। ये मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। धर्मेंद्र जी आप कहिए, आप लोग समझाइए, कैसी वेणुगोपाल जी आप समझाइए, राहुल आप सबको कहिए। मैं चाहता हूँ, मैं जावेद को अलाउ भी करूँ। तो मैं सभा की कार्रवाई मंगलवार 10 मार्च 2026 को प्रातः 11 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित करता हूँ।
Amid ruckus, amid continuous sloganeering and hangama, Lok Sabha has been adjourned till tomorrow 11 a.m. The speaker constantly urging the opposition, asking the Congress to move the motion against the speaker. The speaker said that from the last 20 days, from about a month, you've been talking about this no trust motion against the speaker, after which Om Birla stopped coming, presiding over the House. Om Birla, remember, said till his name is cleared from all of this, till the issue is settled, he will not preside over the proceedings. So Jagdambika Pal there on the chair asking the Congress to move the resolution. And then he goes on to also say that you asked for this no trust motion, a discussion, a debate on that. I'm allowing that to happen. The government wants to run the House. The chair wants the House to function. It's the opposition that does not want to. He also reminded the opposition of the taxpayers' money, which is being wasted 9 crores per day because the House is not being allowed to function. Let me go across to Pragya now. Pragya, the opposition is now demanding a discussion on foreign policy, a discussion on situation unfolding in Middle East, while the speaker kept saying you wanted to bring in a no trust motion. Go ahead. I'm allowing discussion on this. Go ahead. You demanded this.
Absolutely, Swati, and in fact, this was also the contention in the first half of the session of the day. In fact, when opposition said that we want a discussion and we just do not want just a statement from External Affairs Minister. But having said that, the chair also said that, this is not how a House functions. There's a rules and procedures in place. And when it is suo moto statement by a minister, that certainly would mean that there is no discussion on it. If you want a discussion, then you have to take it up at the Business Advisory Committee level meeting. And for that, Speaker needs to chair that. When will Speaker chair it? When this debate is settled. So in a way, what opposition is right now doing is halting and impeding the functioning of the House right now, creating chaos and ruckus. And this is exactly what the chair said, that government also wanted it. Government said yes to the motion debate. And also, I am allowing the opposition leader to speak first, but no one is listening to the chair.
All right, Pragya, stay on with us. We have Rashid Alvi joining us in the broadcast. Rashid Alvi, we just heard the chair before the House was adjourned saying that I'm allowing you this discussion. Go ahead. I want to give you time. You can't now resort to ruckus.
Speaker, it is his responsibility to run the House, and justice should be done. When no confidence motion has been moved against the Speaker, first of all, it should be discussed. First of all, there should be voting on this motion, how can you take up any other issue? If no confidence, it is a common.
But that's what the speaker also was telling the opposition, that you brought in this motion for the past 20 days, almost about a month. You wanted to bring in the no trust motion against the speaker. I'm giving you time. Go ahead and speak. I will allow time to whoever wants to speak. But the constant sloganeering and the ruckus in the background continued.
You know, it is all right. The speaker is saying time will be given. But why are you not giving time? Immediately, first of all, it should be decided whether House has confidence in the speaker or not. Any other issue may be taken up only after that. What is wrong in it?
But
It
that's
is
what
very common sense.
you and I and the speaker also, we are all on the same page. That's what the speaker said. Don't resort to ruckus. Let's discuss. You wanted a discussion. Let's have the discussion.
No.
So then
right
why? So
on
then
that.
why were slogans being raised?
No, slogans are being raised because time is not fixed. You start immediate discussion, there will be no slogan. Just you are anchor. I request you, if there is
Rashid
no
Alviji,
confidence, listen.
Rashid Alviji, that's exactly what the speaker is saying. Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm giving you time.
Yeah, the time should be decided. The speaker has not yet
It's in
decided
the
time.
agenda, Rashid Alviji. It's in the agenda. It's in the agenda. The speaker also asked, are you serious? Are you serious about this? If the opposition has no trust in the speaker, if they moved in a motion and the speaker on the chair says, let's go ahead with the discussion, then why resort to ruckus? Then why at the very last minute change the goalpost?
You know, first of all, when there is discussion on no confidence motion against the speaker, then the speaker should not be on the chair. It should be deputy speaker.
The no trust motion
No
is against
confidence
Om
is against
Birla.
the speaker.
The no trust motion is against Om Birla. On chair is Jagdambika Pal. Thank you very much, Rashid Alviji, for speaking with us. Let me bring in Pragya. Pragya, now there is no let up in opposition's ruckus strategy, even when the speaker, the chair, repeatedly asked the opposition to calm down so that a discussion can take place, so that the House can function, and repeated pleas coming in by the chair. We just saw how the chair went on to say that the government is willing, the chair itself is willing to have a discussion, let the House function, let the discussion that you've been demanding for take place. But constant sloganeering and constant ruckus, after which Lok Sabha adjourned till tomorrow till 11 a.m. Now, the question that the BJP and the government is asking, why is the opposition running away from the discussion? This is what the opposition demanded. We have Tuhin Sinha joining us on the broadcast now. Tuhin Sinha, the speaker kept urging, the speaker kept saying, we want the House to function. I'm willing to give you time. Go ahead with the discussion, but ruckus continues.
Opposition believes in a very hoot and scoot approach, a very slippery approach. They raise an issue and then they raise a second issue. When, we are committed, when we have committed to them that, between 9th and 10th March, the discussion on their no confidence motion will take place, they need to be patient. Because, it was they who said that we also want discussion on the war. When EAM made a statement on that, they don't want to discuss that. We have put it on record that today and tomorrow we will conclude the discussion on the no confidence motion. What is the opposition scared of? Can't they work till 1 in the night as, the parliament has been functioning under the Modi government? They want, to go back home at 6 p.m. Is this why, they are being paid and elected to be in parliament? I think the opposition is making all kinds of lame and, frivolous excuses. We are committed to discussing the no confidence motion, but at the same time, the statement which has been made by EAM also needs to be discussed and concluded. All of that can be completed in 2 days. But
Okay,
like
all
I
of
said,
that
the
can
opposition
happen, but allow the House to function, says Tuhin Sinha. Thank you very much for speaking with us. Let me go across to Pragya. Why has the opposition, the BJP asks, changed the goalposts at the very last minute? The BJP also goes on to say that there should be a discussion on what the External Affairs Minister said as well, but for that, you'll have to allow the House to function.
Absolutely, Swati. And in fact, since morning, the strategy of the opposition was to disrupt the statement that was prepared by External Affairs Minister, Mr. Jaishankar. And in fact, they are saying that this is not a notice board. This should be a discussion board. We are not here to just listen to External Affairs Minister, but we are here to debate and discuss and ask questions. But the point is that this was a suo moto statement by External Affairs Minister, and there are rules for this. And in fact, if you want a discussion, a short duration discussion, this is what Chair also said, that you have to come through Business Advisory Committee. Once that, when it is approved in BAC, then you can have short duration discussion. No one is shying away from that particular discussion. In fact, it was a suo moto statement by External Affairs Minister.
Yes. In fact, Pragya, do stay on with us. We have some breaking inputs coming in, reactions coming in now. Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has hit out at Rahul Gandhi and the Congress, accusing them of targeting Lok Sabha Speaker and undermining the dignity of Parliament. The Union Minister has put out a detailed long post on social media platform X, where he has hit out at the Congress. Let me quote quickly from the post. लोकतांत्रिक व्यवस्था में लोकसभा अध्यक्ष का पद पूरे सदन की गरिमा और निष्पक्षता का प्रतीक होता है, फिर भी प्रमुख रूप से राहुल गांधी समेत पूरी कांग्रेस लगातार इस संवैधानिक पद को निशाना बना रही है। अविश्वास प्रस्ताव लाना और माननीय लोकसभा अध्यक्ष जी पर निरंतर टिप्पणी करना दरअसल संसद की मर्यादा को चुनौती देने की सोची समझी राजनीति है। जो लोकतांत्रिक और संवैधानिक संस्थाओं का सम्मान नहीं कर सकते, वे लोकतंत्र की रक्षा की बात किस हक से कर रहे हैं? So the Union Minister, they're hitting out at Rahul Gandhi and the Congress, saying that they brought in a no trust motion against the Lok Sabha Speaker. All of this is happening as per their plan. सोची समझी राजनीति है. This is nothing but politics. धर्मेंद्र प्रधान goes on to say, सच्चाई यह है कि लोकतांत्रिक संस्थाओं को कटघरे में खड़ा करना और उनके प्रति अविश्वास का माहौल बनाना कांग्रेस की पुरानी राजनीतिक प्रवृत्ति है. This is Congress Party's mindset. This is Congress Party's political nature. Pragya, Dharmendra Pradhan has put out a post, is hitting out at the Congress, saying this is Congress Party's old strategy to create doubt when it comes to constitutional authorities and constitutional posts like that of the Speaker. Okay, we'll try and connect with Pragya. I think we've lost that line with her, but the breaking input coming in is a post by Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, hitting out at Rahul Gandhi. He says the Congress Party, Rahul Gandhi, undermining Sansad. They are attacking, targeting the Speaker. Congress Party is insulting the Parliament, and that Speaker's post is above politics. Sansad, not political arena. He also says that the attack or the no trust motion against the Speaker is nothing but a planned attack. It's nothing but pure politics on part of the Congress Party. Pragya is back with us in the broadcast. So the war of words only intensifying, Pragya.
Absolutely, and in fact, when there was a discussion and back-channel talks with opposition whether they would want a discussion on no confidence motion against Speaker tomorrow as well, there was no concrete, no clear answer that has been given by opposition. So the strategy is yet not clear whether they will allow the discussion and also debate on no confidence motion, against Speaker that they have brought in for tomorrow as well, or whether they will continue with their demand for having short duration discussion on foreign policy and situation in the West Asia. Well, this is also one of the, contentious issues that the government is also facing right now.
Absolutely.
Because they try to reach
well,
out
Rahul
to
Gandhi is also responding to the attacks. We have breaking inputs coming in. Rahul's reaction, in fact, Rahul Gandhi has hit out at the center. So Rahul Gandhi targets the center. Listen in.
एशिया में हो रहा है, उससे कितने रुपए का नुकसान होगा? मतलब सेंट्रल चीज है, मतलब एक प्रकार से पैराडाइम शिफ्ट करने की लड़ाई चल रही है, उससे हमारी इकोनॉमी को जबरदस्त नुकसान होने वाला है। स्टॉक मार्केट का आपने देख लिया, यूएस डील साइन कर दी है मोदी जी ने, तो बहुत ज़बरदस्त चोट लगने वाली है देश को, तो उस पर डिस्कशन करने से क्या प्रॉब्लम है? यही हम मांग रहे हैं, और उसके बाद हम दूसरी इशू पे डिस्कशन करेंगे। बट आपको क्या लगता है वेस्ट एशिया में हो रहा है, उससे कितने लोग?
Let's go back to Pragya, who continues to be with us. So Rahul Gandhi's response coming in कि वेस्ट एशिया में जो हो रहा है उससे कितना नुकसान हो रहा है. He says that there should be a discussion because our economy is being impacted, and then Rahul Gandhi also brings in the trade deal.
Well, had Rahul Gandhi listened clearly and also attentively to Mr. Jaishankar, he would have known what the situation exists and what is the government stance on it. But he chose not to listen to Mr. Jaishankar, and in fact, there was ruckus in the House. In fact, there were many in the Treasury benches who wanted to listen closely and very attentively to Mr. Jaishankar, but could not because of this ruckus. Having said that, government is not shying away from discussion. They are just saying that suo motu, when there is a statement of a minister, you cannot have short duration discussion. For that, you need some certain rules and procedures. You need to give, the request to the speaker also. There is a process for that, and if you do that,
Right, so the government is citing, the chair also they're citing the procedures, the rules, but the ruckus continued. Now, this is part 2 of Rahul Gandhi's statement. Let's listen in.
जरूरी नहीं है फ्यूल प्राइस इकोनॉमिक डेविस्टेशन ये ज़रूरी नहीं है क्या तो ये जनता की इशू है इसको हम ज़रूरी मानते हैं इस पर हम डिस्कशन चाहते हैं उसके बाद स्पीकर पे जो मोशन है ठीक है उसको डिस्कस करेंगे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है वो डिस्कशन करना नहीं चाहते हैं क्योंकि उसमें दूसरी बातें निकलेंगी उसमें प्राइम मिनिस्टर की पोजीशन निकलेगी प्राइम मिनिस्टर का जो पूरा कॉम्प्रोमाइज हुआ है जो उन पर ब्लैकमेल किया जा रहा है वो सवाल उठेगा तो उसको डिस्कस नहीं करना चाहते आपने देखा प्राइम मिनिस्टर भाग गए पार्लियामेंट हाउस से भाग गए क्या
So Rahul Gandhi says the surge in oil prices, is that not an important issue to discuss? It directly impacts people. Why is the government shying away from a discussion on India's stand, our strategy when it comes to West Asia? Pragya continues to be with us on the broadcast. Another attack coming in from Rahul Gandhi on the Prime Minister directly this time. He says that the government does not want to have a discussion on West Asia.
Swati, if you remember, Chair Mr. Jagdambika Pal, in fact, clearly stated that let the discussion begin. I would want to give opportunity to an opposition member to speak and to start the debate. But opposition chose to create ruckus in the House. That is about the statement and also the position of the government. Government wanted to do the discussion, and in fact tomorrow also government said that the first thing that is there in the business is the discussion on this particular motion that has been given against the speaker. And secondly, there is no direct impact on petrol and diesel prices as far as consumers are concerned in India. At least the government of the Petroleum Ministry is maintaining that whatsoever losses that will be incurred by the companies and also the government will give subsidy, but there is no direct impact on the consumers as of yet, despite the fact that the crude oil has gone to $120, per barrel. So, the kind of allegation that one opposition member can make is all right, but the facts are factual, the situation is different. And this is exactly why the government says that you have no interest of the India at the center of your protest.
Well,
and this is exactly
absolutely.
what is hurting.
Yes. And Rahul Gandhi's response is that the government does not want to have a discussion. Amidst the ruckus and chaos, Lok Sabha was adjourned till tomorrow at 11 a.m. Pragya, thank you for getting us the details. We'll have a quick break on the broadcast.